Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to download Instagram post on your device. So let's start. First, open the Google Play Store and search for Teensy app. Teensy Save Up is an all-in-one platform to download any post from any social media platform. Now all you have to do is download this app and open it right now. Here you can see you can download posts or messages from Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook and Likee. But on this video I'll stick with Instagram. Now tap on Instagram. And here you can see you need the link of the post to download. Now I'll just quickly open the Instagram app and get a link of a post. I'll directly go to my profile and take a post. Let's download this one. Now tap on the three dots and copy link. Then go back to Teensy app and paste the link here and then tap download. And your post will start downloading. I have already downloaded some posts previously. And that's how you can download Instagram post on your device. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.